So I'm Mark Wahlquist. I grew up in Virginia, went to undergraduate school out in Brigham Young University in Utah, then went to medical school in Chicago at the University of Illinois at Chicago, and then from there I went to the University of Toledo for residency, and then I stayed there for a year of fellowship as well. And I started practice in 2008, and I've been doing general practice, but emphasis on total joints here for the last probably 10 to 12 years. So because I do a general practice, I find that patients often come to me for their knee replacement, their hip replacement, but then they also complain about their carpal tunnel, maybe their rotator cuff, and I'm able to take care of those things as well, in addition to the joint replacements that I would normally do. So I think I provide a breadth of services that some patients really need.